Ladies and gentlemen, I extend my warmest greetings to everyone present in this eventful occasion. The atmosphere found on this momentous graduation ceremony is truly one of a kind, and we have no one else to thank but all of you present here today. To our guest of honor and speaker, who will be formally introduced later, to our Board of Trustees, Mrs. Margarita Manaloto and Mrs. Bunahilda Chua, to our school principal and chairperson of the board, Ms. Flora J. Mendoza, to our school registrar and PCED directress, Ms. Zenica I. Joseph, to our academic coordinator and guidance advocate, Ms. Macaria L. Menjoli, to our high school coordinator and senior high school focal person, Ms. Marian de la Cruz, to our dedicated class advisors, senior high school instructors, faculty, and staff of OPS, as well as our beloved parents, guardians, family, and friends. Thank you for attending and commemorating this achievement with us today. Driven by the blood and sweat that my batchmates and I endured, we paved the way to make this day a reality. As we bear witness at the fruits of our labor, we are filled with excitement, nostalgia, and appreciation. Today is a day of recognition, acknowledging the hard work, friends, memories, knowledge, and wisdom that we have obtained throughout our educational pursuits at the Our Lady of Perpetual Help School, Incorporated. To have been able to study at OPS is a privilege to us all, for we have acquired the precious gift of knowledge and wisdom which our dear advisors and instructors instilled into us. Who we were going inside the halls of this stellar academic institution is simply indistinguishable from who we are today. Today, we are accomplished, remarkable, and worthy of praise. For not only have we reached a milestone in our academic endeavors, but we also emerged victorious against the trials and challenges that we have faced through the years. It is a pleasure to be here with my fellow graduates today. I would like to formally congratulate each of us for reaching this academic milestone. It is no secret that everyone here had to endure and persevere in order to reach this graduation. Being here at this very moment is proof that all of your efforts have borne fruit. So stand tall and be proud, for we have made it, and we are one step closer into actualizing our dreams. As we embark on our individual journeys, let us not forget the friends, memories, and experiences that we have fostered together. With that being said, on behalf of the graduating class of 2023, I welcome you all to this moment of celebration, reflection, and gratitude. Welcome, everyone, to this graduation ceremony. Thank you.